How to delete a message on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your message on Twitter. So first thing, go to Twitter. Now go to your messages right here down, choose the conversation. For example, I'm going to choose this conversation. Now this is my message, as you can see right here. All what you have to do to delete it is by clicking on it and keep clicking like this. And now choose delete message for you, and it will be deleted. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.